Welcome students. In this topic, we will learn about lap joints on 10 mm thick mild steel plate in overhead position by Gas Metal Arc Welding.
Objectives. At the end of this module, you will learn to prepare the plates as per drawing. Set and tack weld the plates as lap as per drawing. Set the job overhead position for welding. Deposit the fillet weld with proper leg length. Inspect for surface defects on the weld bead. Now let's look at the tools and equipments required for GMAW. Steel rule, ball peen hammer, half round file, tri-square, tongs, chipping hammer, steel wire brush, personal safety equipment, key and spanner, helmet type screen, angle grinder, gas regulator with flow meter, CO2 gas heater, shielding gas hoses, welding power source, wire feeders that ensure constant speed and voltage, supply of electrode wire, welding gun, shielding gas cylinder. Let's see about the pre-welding of lap joints on MS 10 mm thick plate in overhead position by GMAW. Cut the MS plate 150 mm by 50 mm by 10 mm as per drawing. Deburr and clean the MS plates. Grind and file the edges of plate to square. Set the lap as per specification. Wear protective clothing. Set the torch in the right position. Set current from 90 to 100 ampere. Corresponding wire feeding rate 3 to 4 meter per minute. Set 19 to 20 arc voltage and use dip transfer mode. Use 0.8 mm dia copper coated mild steel filler CCMS wire. Tack weld on both ends of the lap joint on the welding table. Now let's see the welding process of lap joint in overhead position by GMAW process. Fix the tack welded job in the weld positioner to overhead position. It is important to ensure that the lap joint is held in the weld positioner firmly. Ensure that the torch assembly hose containing the spiral, filler wire, gas hose, etc. is long enough so that it can be carried over your shoulder while welding in overhead position. This will help in maintaining the constant distance between the torch and the joint to be welded. Using a welding helmet and wearing a welder overall is very essential to protect the whole body from the spatters in overhead welding position. Deposit the weld using uniform travel speed. Ensure proper leg length and even fusion of sheets, suitable welding torch angle and arc travel speed. Use stringer bead welding technique and follow. Ensure good penetration and even fusion of plates with suitable torch angle and arc travel. Ensure the edge of the plate is not melted off due to excessive weaving. Ensure there is no undercut at the other toe of the lap joint. Clean the bead and the lap joint with steel wire brush. Inspect the bead for any surface defects. Now let's discuss the caution and inspection of lap joints on MS plate 10 mm thick plate in overhead position by GMAW. Check for uniform weld size and proper reinforcement. Clean the welded area. Inspect for welding defects. Let's see the defects now. Excessive reinforcement. porosity. Uneven bead width. Blowholes. Recap.
In this topic, we have learned to prepare the plates as per drawing, set and tack weld the plates as per drawing, set the job overhead position for welding, deposit the fillet weld with proper leg length, inspect for surface defects on the weld bead. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye!